Christmas and happy holidays! This video should be live on Christmas Day. Today, I'm making the best creamy vegan mushroom pasta. This is usually a very easy and simple vegan recipe, but I'm going to make the best version I've ever made. So it might seem like a lot, but you don't have to use everything I'm about to show you. Anyways, let's get started. So here are the ingredients. For the mushroom, I'm only using creamier mushrooms. You can add portobello mushrooms or maitake or a combination of any mushrooms you like. Maitake is a great choice because it's got lots of umami, but this time I'm keeping it simple. I've got some garlic and onion for the base aroma. And for the cream sauce, I have some raw cashews. I'm gonna make cashew cream with soy milk, some lemon, nutritional yeast. This is gonna add that cheesy flavor. And here's my secret ingredient, white miso paste. This is gonna add so much umami to it. And also to make it creamy, in addition to the cashew and soy cream, I'm using coconut milk. This is what's gonna make it creamy. Now please, make sure it's unsweetened coconut milk. It's still got the natural sweetness from the fruit, and that's gonna sort of mimic the taste of heavy cream. The reason I'm using both soy and coconut milk is because the coconut milk could overpower the entire sauce if you use too much of it. And finally, I have some herbs. I'm using thyme and parsley. Step 1. Soak the cashews in hot water in the bowl. You wanna do this first and set aside. Next, I'm gonna slice the creamier mushrooms. It's up to you how thin or thick you cut them. I'm using about 3 cloves of garlic per serving, and this time I'm making 2, so I'm peeling about 6 cloves. I suggest that you crush the garlic, but I'm just gonna chop them finely. Dice the onion. I would use yellow or red onion. It's up to you. You can use leeks instead, or both. I would say half a mid-sized onion per serving. Now, all the vegetables are prepared. Get a pan ready. Also at the same time, bring adequate water to a boil for the pasta now. Heavily salt the water. It should be as salty as seawater. Extra virgin olive oil. When the pan is heated, cook the onion over medium-high heat until translucent, or nearly caramelized. Add the garlic. Add a pinch of chili flakes for some heat, and cook for 1 to 2 more minutes. This is about the right time to start cooking your pasta. You can use any type of pasta you like. I'm gonna make 2 servings this time, one with spaghetti and the other with penne. Then add the mushrooms. I'm cooking the mushrooms over medium-high heat. Season with some salt and let all the water out. If you have a lot of mushrooms, you can cook them evenly over low heat or cook them in batches. While the mushrooms are cooking, I'm gonna make the cashew cream. Into a food processor or blender, add the soaked cashews and soy milk. And then a touch of coconut milk. Add no more than 1/3 of the amount of the soy milk. Cut a lemon and squeeze just a touch of the lemon juice. Nutritional yeast and some white miso paste. Now miso is salty, so don't add too much. It's just a secret ingredient. And then blend until smooth. Of course you can do this beforehand if you'd like. When the mushrooms are fragrant and almost caramelized, add the cream mixture to the pan. As you can see, I didn't use a high-speed blender, so it's thick. So I added some of the pasta water to it. You can also use veggie broth or add more soy milk. If needed, lightly season with some salt. Again, it should be already salty because of the miso and the pasta water. Lots of black pepper. I think the black pepper in this cream sauce is pretty necessary. Now all you have to do until the pasta is al dente is adjust the thickness of the cream sauce by adding more liquid or letting the sauce evaporate if you want it thicker. And I like to add some whole fresh thyme for both the flavor and the look. You can add any herb you like oregano. Finally, I'm gonna roughly chop some parsley. Yeah, the parsley needs a spotlight. Now, the pasta is al dente. I lied. I actually overcooked the pasta just because I was filming. It's hard, you know? Now dump that sad and soggy pasta into the pan and mix it with the sauce. The sauce should be reduced, therefore thicker by now. So add some more of the pasta water. And again, adjust the thickness of the sauce until you reach the ideal creamy consistency. Now the pasta is done. It's time to serve. there you have the best creamy vegan mushroom pasta.